what you follow, so just run far away from me.
This is the red chord. Blue is next, I said. Yellow
Start
is
on a space and you can go just to the next line, or from a line back to a space. It's really
Here's the baby steps.
Baby step leap, baby step leap.
From a line to the next line, that's a skip, or from a space to the next space, that's a skip.
Now when they're stuck close together, it's a second. When they're stacked up nice and neat, it's called a third.
Bug,
Butterfly, butterfly, grasshopper,
beetle, beetle, slug.
Our bugs have great names, they're lots of fun. A bug is a quarter note, it gets one. A slug is a half note, it gets two. Can you play two notes while I play one? 'Cause 8 notes get a half a count, when bugs get one.
There are groups of 2 and groups of 3. I can play them all. Just look and see. 2, 3, 2. Where is Bubble Hand? Where is Bubble Hand? Here I am. Here I am. Where is 1? That's your thumb. Here I am.
C, D, E, F, G,
C, D, E, F, G, A. Oh, the key of C is an easy key. It has no sharps or flats. If you add a flat key, a sharp, or a flat key like magic, it will change before you know. Here's the key of F. It's a lovely key. It has 1 flat, and that's a B.
When it is stacked up so, no gaps will let you know. The chord's in root position, so the root is down.
Red is the 1 chord.